it, that's breaking that beer down nicely. Get nice and slow. We'll have to do it several times just to break the layers of beer down. That's it, it's starting to break down now.
I saw a blue sign.
Yeah, what it is, it's all the beer and the yeast in it, and then when the staff are walking in and out, what it is the dirt, and it's sticking to the carpet. So what you've got to do is put that solution on, break it down with the CRB machine, and then you just got to flush it through with the hot water, a bit of temperature on it, and you can see now how it's sort of breaking down, and you're getting through to the carpet. So initially you think, oh, is it wear, or is it, yeah, but it's all the beer. That's great, Jay. Starting to see that work now. Yeah. Yeah, that's fantastic.
That was good for the video.
Yeah, it's getting there. Getting there.